Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. So today we have the I Wonder STEAM Academy LLC, and they're looking for an art teacher. He pays for $20 to $40 an hour, and this is fully remote. We're looking for an art teacher to join our unique and supportive team. The right candidate has passion for teaching art and will be working closely with students to develop skills and strategies for creating artwork. This position is ideal for a creative teacher who is eager to bring their passion and talent to our school. And we're looking for someone who provides quality instructions in this field. Your responsibilities will be being able to communicate with children, parents, and administrators, being able to communicate with other teachers, be creative and passionate about the subject of art, be knowledgeable about the history of art, know how to teach art. This will be part-time contract position. It pays $20 to $40 an hour. It has a flexible schedule, Monday through Friday with some weekend availability, and preferred 1 year of teaching. If you would like to be the person for this particular role, I'll put the link right below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry, just subscribe to this channel because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day just for you so you can find the perfect remote work from home job that fits your needs. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.